Chapter 14, Sloka 18. Urdhvan gachanti sattvastaha. Urdhvan gachanti sattvastaha. Urdhvan gachanti sattvastaha. Madhye tishtanti rajasaha. Madhye tishtanti rajasaha. Madhye tishtanti rajasaha. Urdhvan gachanti sattvastaha. 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 Madhye tishtanti rajasaha. Jaganyaguna-vrittishtaha. 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 Adho gachanti tamasaha. Adho gachanti tamasaha. Adho gachanti tamasaha. Jaganyaguna-vrittishtaha. 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 Adho gachanti tamasaha. Urdhvan gachanti sattvastaha. Madhye tishtanti rajasaha. Jaganyaguna-vrittishtaha. Adho gachanti tamasaha.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, Sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.